Good morning
This side.
Good
to our
morning. Good
team
morning.
This
team
one, this one.
from India. Everybody can hear it. I can see you.
Yes, sir. Yeah, yes,
Oh,
sir. Can
wow.
see.
Okay. So as you know, here we are the well-known faces here. On left side, Dr. Kini, and then we have our two fellows here. One is Gurpreet, main fellow, and then we have fellow two, and our cath lab team with
Where's your
Christine
mom?
and Pablo,
Cap.
and then I was team, uh, will be Kiski and so. But key is, I really welcome Sun Pharma team to giving this opportunity. This will be our episode number 8, and with the cardiac companion and this faculty, both of you, Dr. Surya Prakash Rao and Dr. PLN Kaparti from Hyderabad. So with that
Thank
note, what we do usually, thank you, welcome, that we go through our case presentation and we'll have a lot of discussion in this
you.
particular case. And so, the clearly event is supported by Sun Pharma, and so both of you, great guys. I know personally interventionalist with the CTO, and this actually is one of the branch of the Circumflex is CTO, and as shown here with the Dr. Surya Prakasha Rao and that expert in this IJ club. So Indo-Japanese. So that's good. I like it. All these clubs are good. So keep us moving forward, and your great interventional experience, which will need a lot of your help in this particular case. And then Dr. PLN Kapati, and the director of the cath lab, and of course upcoming interventionalist, all experience in various interventional techniques and the trials. So this particular case is the case number 8, 59-year-old patient with a chronic CAD and has a new onset angina class 3 and various risk factors. And you also see here SAQ7. So I know there is a lot of issues nowadays that angina patient rarely present with angina. They have dyspnea and so key there's Seattle angina questionnaire, 7 point, very easy. They give you a score from 0 to 100 in a stable patient. Anything more than towards 100, less symptom, 0 very symptomatic. So we calculate SAQ score, and we also then, when patient comes back with a stage intervention, then we see how much SAQ improved. So that is routine for us. So this patient has a SAQ of 54, like in the middle. Then patient has a no stress test, had a multiple PCIs and off to the RC and circumflex on a good medical therapy as shown here. And the patient did have cath with a 2-vessel disease with a 90% proximal RCA DS ISR and angulated OM1 and CTO of the OM2 with a syntax score of 18. And we are going to show you a patient already have a PCI of the RCA, and now here for angulated circumflex intervention, and Anu will show you what's going on.
So
Anu?
if you can show the angiogram, you see the
Yeah.
LV gram. EDP was normal. So mild LV dysfunction with the EF about between 45 to 50. Right coronary artery with prior stents, which looks good. And the left side, this is where we are. So we are totally occluded stent of the OM2, and then you have a stent jailed OM1 with osteal disease.
And look at the angulation of that OM, jailed OM. LED is good. So
Good.
left
Yeah,
is
non-obstructive,
LED good.
heavy calcium, but non-obstructive.
Okay. We want to go back to that OM1 again. So all right. Both of you tell us how would you deal with this case, knowing that the OM is just coming at the level, first part of the stent, as you can see. It is actually exactly in the stent or a little proximal to the stent.
Think it's covered. You can see that it's covered.
Maybe proximal edge. Is it clear to you there? We cannot hear you. I know initially.
We are unmuted,
Oh,
sir.
good.
Okay.
Good.
You're
Yes.
able to clearly, you can see that peristent, actually the ostium of the OM1 is coming.
Yeah.
The tight region.
And then OM2 is completely occluded. So what we do is, once you have total occlusion, our goal always has been that, there have been earlier trials like ARTIST and so, showing no benefit of rotational atherectomy, but such a long lesion, once it occluded, we routinely do atherectomy. We have published both rotablation as well as orbital for this purpose. And that our goal is to go through it, try to modify plug modify basically, and then of course you have to re-stent it because we don't have a drug-coated balloon available here. So, and with the data based on various RIFS trial have shown that the first time your DES restenosis, I think it's reasonable to put another DES. Once you have two of them, then question comes. Although some people say, well, let's just do a cutting balloon. I mean, the drug-coated balloon, which is one choice which we do not have. And of course, once it comes more than 2 times, double layer stents, we have been advocating IVBT. I know IVBT used to be used in India, which is not being done now, but we actually have resurrected IVBT here in America.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Tell us your strategy. Yeah.
Your approach is, I think, 7 French femoral here.
Yes. 7 French guide.
7 French guide, and you need a support catheter or a double lumen catheter.
No,
Here.
I think support catheter. So question comes is that OM first we need to tackle the OM2, which is totally occluded, and then we go to the OM1. So clearly with the support catheter, with the fielder and fine cross, our usual strategy, that's what we have been teaching everyone that go through it, then change it to the rota wire anyway. Now rota actually coming with a new wire, rota drive, both floppy as well as extra support, and then use a moderate plaque modification with a 1.5 kind of burr based on how difficulty it is to cross it, maybe even 1.25, and then post dilate. And that time before post dilatation is the one we are going to wire that OM so it doesn't close. Yep.
Just to tell you with a question regarding the support catheter, we have been using fine cross for years, but I know people would like to use newer support catheters, especially meant for CTO, which we also have carry here, Teleport, as well as Corsair, Turnpike. These are the 3 catheters which people like, and Turnpike have 6 different types of catheters, and we like to use, if at all Turnpike, we will use Turnpike LP because they come with one length. So this is anti-grade. So for anti-grade, your 130 centimeter support catheter is okay. If you're doing retrograde, you may need a longer, like a 150 catheter. So we like fine cross. So that's the way we are proceeding. But of course, everything depends upon how comfortable you are. You try to use 1 or 2 catheters and just get comfortable by using those catheters.
And what is your support catheter of choice?
Fine.
It's okay.
Yeah.
We use Carvel catheter and fine
Carvel.
cross both. And for particularly the collateral, septal collateral, epigastrial, which is mostly Carvel catheter here. And a fine cross sometimes makes a big difference when you find difficulty even with the other catheters. There's no doubt.
Because it's the ISR CTO, better Corsair will give very good support. Actually, it is extra backup because a lot of fibrous tissue there in ISR compared to Caravel, which is a sleek. Corsair is very tough, highly braided, and it can able to penetrate, which gives support. And the first choice of Gaia second you are taking, or Gaia you are taking, sir?
So the first choice always should be a softer tip wire, usually Fielder FC, Fielder XT, any of these first catheters, as long as you reach. And once you go there, and then you start to go doing wire escalation. For wire escalation, depends on whatever wires that you want. You want the Gaia, we have the new Gaia Next, which is a new family wire we have. And then after that, of course, you can escalate with the Confianza.
But we have the Gaia 3 ready. So in case the fielder would not go, we are ready with the Gaia 3.
Okay.
I fully agree. First, you should try the polymer jacket in this. You can find a channel. And a very important thing, the brass wiring, this OM1 also very important. Angulation, so it's a big branch.
Yes. So angulated, yeah. So that's where will be we'll discuss various of these angulated catheters, the Supercross, the Venture,
Right.
and so. So I know that in India there are 1 or 2 others available, but here I think this is okay. Now we go with the Gaia.
We usually Crusade for that, actually, sir.
Yeah. So you are right. I mean, this case, I agree with that. If the choice is there, probably Corsair, a combination of Corsair and these wires should have been the better choice. That although The fine cross, one of the difference, as you know, with the fine cross and Corsair is the price half. The fine cross is half, but clearly some cases you will do better with the Corsair, like septal collaterals if you are going for retrograde, and kind of instant restenosis as you mentioned. That's a very good point. Very pointed, and it keeps you in the lumen, in the central lumen, while moving it forward. You want to see a little dive?
Okay.
ISR
Don't
sometimes
move.
cross was also not a bad choice for ISR to cross.
No.
Yeah. Yeah, actually, you're right.
Some die.
That is the only group which in the crossbox trial showed that ISR did very well. This is your Gaia 3. You see it how Gaia 3 next, right? Yeah,
Yeah, yes.
Gaia 3 next.
Yes, with a Gayatri next. Okay.
Okay.
It is 6 grams.
6 grams.
6 grams diploid.
Yes.
And
So
with-
is
with
in
extended
India, is the
coil-
Gaia 3 next is available now? Gaia family, the new generation 2 and 3 next?
Not available, sir. Not available.
Not-
Gaia next is
okay.
not available. Still.
Okay. Okay, now as you see, Dr. Keeney's hand showing that, they're trying to rotate the,
Yeah.
which is little difficult, but I went in. But I'm saying that this is
Yeah.
kind of case with the Corsair would have gone very clearly. Good, out.
Yes.
Yeah. So when you're removing, just put a little fluid in between, and we are ready to exchange with the rota. Question is rota floppy, right? Yeah. Yes. The new generation, which is it's actually the old one. Huh? Oh, new. Okay. So this is the rota. Now the new generation of the rota called direct. Yeah, they're basically little more hydrophilic, more one-to-one torque.
Okay.
And this is the,
Actually, if we can show the slide of a guide wire aid by the side,
drive. Yeah, drive. They call it a rotawire drive. Yeah.
Advanced.
Yeah. So this is the same. Newer, they keep making changes, which is good. Make our interventional field better and simpler. I would say all this innovation technology, what has done, has made our intervention much simpler and get a 3 or
Yes.
30 high pressure.
Rota link is steel. This also any quality is there, sir. This rota wire.
Yeah, Rota Pro. So what happened is in America now, everywhere they have changed it to a Rota Pro and will be soon changed in India also because they are the classical Rota will be out. They will not be manufacturing it. Now the wire has gone a little further, so we'll pull it because that's where the trouble happened. The wire perf because of a small branch
Okay.
and particularly when doing so, we are going to pull wire back and make sure that it's good. Yeah. Okay.
You are taking 1.5, but sir.
Yeah, it's 1.5. Yes. So question was, if it would have been difficult, then would have gone 1.25 if you could not get your the support catheter through. But otherwise, the key is 1.5. 1.75 could be okay, but only in my opinion that will create a little more debris from ISR point of view. So I think 1.5 is reasonable.
Yes.
Distal embolization maybe.
can you show the slides?
Slide for which one now?
Guide wire.
Okay, there is a guide wire slide. Yeah. We'll show that we have the guide wire app now.
Yeah. We have this is a website, web app that we have created for all the guide wires that are available. We have close to 130 guide wires there. Discussion about the various guide wire, especially when it's coming for CTO.
Okay.
Good?
Yep.
Done.
Good. So we are checking the speed and it comes set usually 155.
This is a website, but shortly within the next 6 weeks, we'll have an app ready. So in the website, you will see CTO versus non-CTO. And if it's CTO based on the vessel, what is the kind of lesion you want, then you go in and you will know all the wires that you are able to use and all the wire properties that are essential and that we need to know will be shown. There are about 25 various cases that we have shown there. Which wire, how to cross in CTOs. This is how it is, description of each wire. The various wire that can be used for the devices. But more important is we have a huge library of the wires that we have created. Like I mentioned, over 130 coronary wires that are out there. And then you select all the properties that you want. That you want a tip load, you want what kind of core, what kind of a polymer jacketed, non-polymer jacketed, hydrophilic coating, non-hydrophilic coating. You check and you will get a list of wires that you think that are available in the market, and 2 or 3 that you will think that you want to keep it in your lab and then start using them. So these are all the cases that we have shown. How these complex cases, which wire choice you need to do in this kind of complex cases. So this is something that's available free, good for people to start, using it.
Okay, so we are ready here. So this is another addition. Good, we checked already. Go.
Good.
So we are ready now. We checked the speed outside, which was 154. So this Rota Pro system comes set. I worked quite a bit to make that. So it's already prefixed by the company. 154, 155. Then of course you can go higher or lower. That's a separate story. Yeah. We'll pull the wire a little bit more. Yeah. So very careful that. Good. Okay. I'm going to pull wire a little more.
Yeah. Okay. Good. So we see, as long as we know the burr has gone safely without any pulling to the proximal circumflex, that's where we park it, and then we do our 3 steps, which is the first step is the knob here. You move backward, forward. When you're doing that, any tension between the Teflon sheath and the burr is removed. After that, your Y connector, you go on fluoro, you move your Y connector backward, forward. Any tension between the wire and the burr. So essentially there are 3 things: the wire, the burr, the Teflon sheath. All the tension between these 3 things have to be removed. And the last one is that on dyna, which means your speed is only about 65 to 70,000 RPM, just do a tap. So the burr did not move. So these are the key essential 3 steps you need to do even before you start burring. And the burring technique is slow pecking motion. Slow pecking motion. I know it's ISR, very, the risk of perforation does not exist, but still you got to go slow pecking motion because it was CTO, risk of slow flow is there.
And make sure that you catch the proximal segment. Yeah, you could have been a little proximal, but that's okay.
Would you like to see the landing zone of the parking zone of the wire in a cranial view?
No, I think that's okay. We had a branch. We saw that branch filling. Yeah, if there is a question, then yes. But otherwise, no. Yeah.
And Pablo, who is my chief technologist here, he is telling us the RPM. So with this new Rota Pro, actually the RPM drop is smoother, nicer. So he keeps telling me the RPMs. Plus, interventionalists we're used to the noise of the burr also. And he will tell me 20 seconds. When it's 20 seconds, you stop. Give a breather for the vessel.
10 seconds, yeah. Breathing of 10 seconds.
Yeah. That is.
And when you're doing the breather is same. Don't park the burr in the lesion. Bring it proximal so that there is a flow in the vessel.
Okay.
And now when I start, I go back straight to where I stop.
Okay.
Otherwise, you are wasting that much of energy again trying to burr that lesion.
Yeah.
This is where the tightest part was. I was having difficulty in getting the fine cross across. Okay, good.
Yeah. And anytime there is a question, you have done 3 or 4 times 150, 155 doesn't cross, then you can go up to 170.
Can we show the hemodynamics in the side?
Yeah. Keep going.
I have my nurse here, Christy, as well as Will Tan. And what they do, they are standing by the head of the patient. They have been well trained. They look at the, of course, if your blood pressure is less than 2 digits, we don't burr. But if they see that, Christy will automatically give neosynephrine. That's the blood pressure medication we give. Now, a question is, who should need a pacemaker? Pacemaker is always for a dominant circ. This was not a dominant circ, but if it was a dominant circ, we would have had a pacemaker. And elderly patient with ostial left main or right coronary artery. we will have a pacemaker. Here there's no pacemaker. We don't see any drop in heart rate. But then once you give neosynheparin, the reflex bradycardia is seen.
Okay. Any
Enhanced-
special cocktail for rising BP? So if hypotension occurs?
Yeah.
There's no special cocktail for hypotension. We will just keep giving neosynheparin.
Okay.
But the special cocktail is there in the bag of the bar.
So
If you can see, this is a special cocktail that's connected.
with a Rota Flush
Flush.
bag, so we have a 5,000 heparin, 5 milligram of nitro, 5 milligram verapamil at 1 liter bag. And then we actually have the Rota Glide
Pablo,
also.
you went up?
So now we are going to go up a little higher speed. Pressure always has been a more than 100.
You
And
want
we
to
try
advance the wire a little bit?
Yep.
We want to
And,
advance the wire also a little bit.
Go. It goes to that. Yeah. Good. And now we are going to increase the speed to 167.
Okay.
Yeah. And
Okay,
this is
good. Yes.
Yes. It
So with a high speed, we were able to do it.
yeah.
But you see how smooth the transition was. You cannot push. You absolutely cannot push.
Yeah.
The biggest risk in ISR is the exit. That if you keep
Yes.
pushing and at the exit, if you jump, there's a risk of dissection and perforation when you're coming out of the stent.
Okay.
Okay.
Take it out.
Yeah. So we'll be on Dyna and start coming out. Yes.
Out. Yeah. Oh. Go.
Yeah. Give me the run through wire. Any questions so far with the technique? They can ask on the chat.
And we encourage the participant to ask their questions. So this is the
They
whole
can put
purpose
it on
of,
the chat, yeah.
And we tell them that on the chat, and I think that function working quite well. Let's take a picture now. Pull the wire slightly back into the main lumen, and we'll take a picture. Good. Ne? Good. Okay.
So now we'll go with the workhorse wire. Our workhorse wire is run through whatever your workhorse wire. So you'll go side by side
Yeah.
to the main OM2, and then we will try to go with the fielder to the OM1.
And I know that in India, still a lot of BMW being used, right? What is your workhorse wire?
Oh yeah, now it's choose Sion and still BMW is there as you
Yeah.
said.
Yes, Sion quite. Okay. So now you can
Would you like
see.
to do-
Yeah.
Would you like to
You
do
can-
imaging before any other strategies in these cases?
Imaging, if the question is if there is a issue about that you think stent is not expanded or something else. So I think the imaging, we try to do it, but it's kind of make us mentally happy. But I think the imaging should be done when it is really essential, required. In this case, we know that it was ISR. We know that we need to debulk it. We also know that we need to open, and then of course imaging will be useful, but little later
Yeah.
in the game because
Yeah.
the people say, well, I want to see the vessel size based on with the imaging will tell us. Well, we know that even small studies have shown that our angiographically we got very good at it nowadays.
Okay.
So yeah,
But for instant restenosis, I can tell you, most people during live cases will tell you, do an imaging to understand the mechanism of
Yeah.
instant restenosis.
Yeah.
But here, angiographically, when you saw that, we knew the stent was fully expanded. So the only reason that you will need imaging is to understand, is it stent under expansion? What is the reason? Or it's just intimal hyperplasia? If it is stent under expansion, you will see it on angiography also. Otherwise, you may have to downsize the burr, because then technique really matters. What you want to do, you have laser, you have definitely the rota, which is the one which technique you want to do. But other than that,
Madam, you
Yeah,
are
this-
taking
Imagine-
biological factors is the cause in this given case. ISR, the stent failure.
Yes.
yeah.
Though, I mean, this case, I think is a run of the mill, your intimal hyperplasia. But yes,
Okay.
in the end, we definitely, I would say that I'm not against imaging, but imaging to me optimize the result. I don't think in the case, when we are doing a live cases, people are after you see a bad dissection and they are doing the imaging. I say, well, what do you think it is? What is the concern? Thrombus versus dissection, it's a classical dissection. You don't need it. Take care of the dissection, then do the imaging. Because many times imaging may even complicate the issue. Imaging is good for your.
Right.
The question is rather than what has been. Okay, let's take a picture. You take the other wire out after.
Means
Please,
essentially, you need to train your eyes.
Yeah.
When
Yeah.
complications are happening, you need to be quick, fast to take care of the
And
complication.
rotor wire out.
Rotawire we
Yeah.
take out. You want?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, now we are ready we have opened up the OM2, moderate, there is still some disease there. This is the case we can decide what is happening with the lesion. But more importantly, let's open the proximally. OM, we take the rotawire out now. As you saw it, we left the rotawire. In the case the stent would not have, the balloon would not have expanded, you could go with a bigger bar.
Yeah.
And that's the key. So the key is that if your guide catheter can accommodate bigger bar, in this case we have 1.75, 7 French guide can take 2 bar, 6 French can take 1.75, and so therefore we left this in this particular case, and also it helped little kind of a modified one blade cutting balloon. So that's where we are now. We are taken care, as you see here, the main vessel, and now we are going to the side branch. And side branch, make sure we have the supercross ready, or which will want supercross, or you want to do a venture?
Gurpreet wants venture.
Yeah, I think it will be a venture case.
Venture only because you can have over the wire or you have a monorail. So
Yeah.
supercross only comes over the wire.
Yeah, only
Okay.
problem with the supercross is the manipulation of the catheter. The wire is so sticky, right? I mean,
Yeah.
and so venture actually that way is quite good.
One of the chart box questions are, what is the size of pre-dilatation balloon?
Yeah, we did after the rota. We did a 3030. This was
Okay,
3030 NC.
Okay.
NC emerge.
NC much.
Yeah,
Okay.
3030. We went 18 atmosphere. Yeah, we
Okay.
know that this alone is not going to work. We have venture monorail, right? Supercross we have.
At nominal pressure, 12 atmospheres, sir?
No, 16, 18, yeah. 16, 18, yeah.
atmospheres,
Yeah,
okay.
open nicely because you have done the plaque modification and now you want to just expand it. Yeah.
Okay, you want to give me the no? So what
Venture.
you wanted? Venture.
We have the venture ready.
Not over the wire. Monorail you don't have? Okay.
Yeah, these catheters are not available even in America. Many of them, sometimes the venture over the wire is not available, then monorail not available.
No, that a lot of the things are back order now because of the pandemic.
Yeah.
How is the life coming back there in your area with the
We are reaching around 50% of our original workload. Last couple of weeks, things are better. I can say better, but we don't know. Some third wave, fourth wave, they are threatening like that.
I think
the
once the
Delta
vaccine,
variant-
I can tell you once the vaccine is done, I don't think there will be any third, fourth, or fifth wave.
Especially
The
Delta
only-
plus variant, they are scared of.
Yeah, yeah, I know. But more important
We
is
found the
what is the big trouble? What I heard today in the news was that at many vaccine centers they were just giving an empty syringe. There was no vaccine.
Yes, sir, exactly.
I mean, that's a
variants
bad
are also
one.
coming backward.
Yeah.
Any role of dual lumen catheter here to enter the side branch?
No,
Other question is we can. Lot of
Dual
people
lumen
will use-
catheter is not because you need a curve to enter the OM.
Yeah.
How is dual lumen catheter going to help us here?
Where's the venture monorail?
First by technique.
Don't have.
Angulation
Okay,
is,
super
Over
cross.
the wire. No, can take the over the wire venture.
If angulation is too bad, then
Not a
double
fan.
lumen is very useful for a reverse
Okay,
flight.
fine. It's very stiff.
Yeah.
This one is way better.
Yeah, let's take this one out. Take this wire.
Which one?
That's also this wire. We'll put it in there. Okay, so we have the venture catheter. Plus. Yeah. You see that it changes the 90-degree curve.
Okay.
Yeah. Move clockwise. Yeah. It will change there. Good. Undo. Yeah. So it's straight, and we are going to go in. We are both Supercross 120 and Venture. Last time we showed Supercross. This time we show the Venture.
What is its French, sir? Is
So
for what is the size of that venture? How much French?
I think
size?
1.4. Yeah, pull back.
For French. Okay.
wire
You
has not
are-
come out.
Uncle, pull back. Yeah, all this actually, your question is interesting. If you want to know more, we have everything on that guide wire 8 because we have mentioned all these catheters there.
Okay.
Yeah, I think the over the wire is a little higher. Maybe 1.8 French, but 1.4.
Okay.
And see. So this is the one for as soon as we come there, we have to put a wire first. Just 1 second.
On this, on the tip. Okay.
Good.
Stay there, stay there.
The wire
Okay.
distal, and then you pull back the wire. No, 1 second. Let's pull back the wire, and then you pull back your venture, and at that level, we'll make a clockwise to make a. Now, always it will go
Sometime.
may go into different direction. Yeah, here, hold it.
Or, yeah.
No, not yet. Too far down. You have to pull back. Good.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Yep.
Directed very nicely
Very
towards
nice.
the arching of
Yeah.
the OM.
Cine this. Cine. The or fluoro.
Fluoro.
Yeah. Good. Okay. We can take a dark.
How dark? No, no, no. Let me tell you something.
Okay.
Undo
So
it.
once you are done,
Yeah.
now these catheters may or may not be able to advance because they're not. Although,
It has gone
Guide.
in.
yeah. You want to see it?
Because it is the, I
It will
think
go in.
it's,
Yeah, it went in. Now
Went
it went in.
yeah. It has gone in.
Yeah.
You want to give us 300?
Yeah. 300 run through.
Fielder or run through? So I undid and advanced it.
Yeah.
Okay. So the
You know, we were at 90 degrees. We were at 90 degrees.
Yeah.
Then you have to remove that curve, make it straight, and then advance it.
Okay, ma'am. And you will exchange with a long wire.
Now we go with the 300 wire.
Yeah, madam.
Otherwise, if suppose we were not able to do that, we have to do dark and take it out. That's why I was waiting for the monorail, but monorail apparently is back order. So we don't have a monorail here.
Okay.
Now, going back to your question of a double lumen catheter, can you bring a double lumen catheter, twin pass? I want to show you why that is not an option here.
Even with reverse.
We needed to make a 90-degree turn. Double lumen catheter, we cannot do that. It is just
Okay.
used if you want to probably, okay, undo it. Wow.
Usually by reverse loop technique, actually double human catheter can.
That's not for this angle. We need not
Taking
use a reverse there. Your guiding is.
We know.
When we are
Okay.
removing some little friction is
Okay.
there.
Good. Yeah. That's right. Okay. 1.5 or 2 balloon you want first?
Wait. You're stuck so much.
Okay. You want to hold the
Wire.
somebody hold the
Wow.
guide?
Hold on. I'm holding the guide now. Wires are bad. Okay.
Good.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm
Wait,
taking
wait,
out.
wait.
Yeah. Hold both the wires.
Mhm.
And you have to be seeing the wires because many of them will crisscross and come out. I think 2 or 12 will go, no?
Yeah.
Yeah. 2 or 12. Compliant first.
That's the advantage of the double lumen. You can avoid the entanglement of the wires.
Yeah. With the double lumen also, key is if it is only the horizontal side branch. But here you saw it.
How would you use a double lumen to get into this angulated OM1?
Yeah.
Re-
The
reverse
same- and the side.
Saying?
Reverse. Yeah.
Reverse loop technique, madam.
Yeah. The same that you go further out and then you pull back at that level.
You knew we did that with the wire, with the 90-degree curve of the fielder. If it's not going to go into OM, that means you needed an angulated catheter to get into the branch.
Yeah. See this now. if you see here, so it's not, see, it is going up. If it is a horizontal, then double Newman has a good chance. But see that
Okay.
it has to retrograde, means not 90 degree, it's 115 degree. That's where the
Yeah,
issue
yeah.
is, yes. But otherwise, yes, very good point. Double Newman, you already have one wire and you go with a second wire with a 90 degree, 70 degree, 80 degree turn, fine. But once you become 110, 1 plus going up, then you are definitely the issue. So now we have 2-0
Yeah.
mini track. Yeah. Okay. Good. Okay, going up now. Compliant balloon. 18.
Wow.
Yeah, it is above. It's not in
But
the
lot of
stand gauge.
calcium.
Yeah, lot of calcium. Okay, pull back few millimeter.
Okay.
And our goal is this is the kind of case. Remember, you have will be tough to put a stent later, so you go with a mini crush,
Yes.
or you can do a DK crush. Yeah, fine. But key, this is the case. You
Means
cannot have-
do double stent strategy.
Yeah.
Whatever.
will not be successful with your conventional
so you want
strategy.
2.5,
Yeah,
right?
we can
High
do a
pressure,
2.5 high pressure. Yeah.
but it's a big
12.
vessel.
Yep.
Yeah.
Or you want to do a
Outside.
cutting balloon there?
May not go SS.
Cutting balloon will go now.
Okay, 2.5
2.5
Wolverine.
Wolverine. Yeah.
Yes, we
Wolverine,
are also
cutting balloon.
using Wolverine as a good choice, more trackable cutting balloon.
That's it. Yes.
Second generation.
Yeah. So angiosculpt we used to use quite a bit. We kind of gone away from angiosculpt because really, once you see, it is the,
Yes.
many times it just didn't do much in terms of the cutting the ostium. And
Yeah,
so,
yeah. Compared to Flextome, the Wolverine, the sculpt balloon more flexible in the
Yeah,
angular
it's-
lesions.
that is true. Yes. But only thing is the gain what you need, that
Yeah, yes.
open, the cut, the elasticity of the vessel, interelastic lamina, that's where the trouble occurs. Anyway,
Exactly.
this is a good test whether the new Wolverine, which is the new Flextome or cutting balloon, well, it will go. We are going to test it now.
Yes.
Yeah. And this is the run through, good wire support. We can pull back the wire a little bit more. Good.
Leave it as.
Yeah.
Have a 2.5 high pressure balloon.
Okay, so what we do is cut here first. 1 second, just hold it there. So, yeah. So anytime when you bring the nose there, make a way through. So we are just cutting at more moderate pressure
Okay.
and then see whether it will go now. Yeah. So this is the case. Not
Yeah.
you want to
can
do?
Take
or-
it out.
Yeah.
Take it
Okay.
out.
Out. So we
High
just go with the
pressure.
high pressure. Yes. So this is just to
Yes.
again limitation of the device that
Yes.
that even
Because
with
your
the very
mechanics is-
flexible. Yeah.
Yes, sir. And
Friction between calcium and the blade.
yes, sir. Yeah. Yeah. Regarding venture, in the chart box, they asked a little bit explanation regarding venture. They asked.
Okay. Okay.
So
So
now we will explain, and I can tell you, let them go to the website of
Okay, madam.
cardiologyapps.com right now and Guidewire. Okay, everything is described there. But I'm going to show it at the end of the case. I'm going to show you more. Let me finish
sure,
here.
madam.
can they? Yeah. Can they go to the
Right
just
now,
that
go
one?
to the website, please,
Yeah,
and
no, but
check it.
in our means.
We cannot. How live?
Okay. So this is now 2.5 or 2.5 12 NC track balloon.
Oh,
Yeah. Okay. Then decide your stent sizes.
I want them to go to the website. I want to make sure that that they got
Yeah.
everything that they want, the knowledge.
sure, ma'am.
Good.
Okay, go.
Now, let's decide our stent strategy now.
2.5 itself.
No.
Go 12,
main
short.
lateral. Yeah.
Main is 30, 38.
Synergy. What stent was there before? Yeah. Yeah. So so there's a Zions.
Go up here.
We are going
No
to
need
use the
for
Zions
Zions.
here.
You go Promus.
Oh,
Yeah, yeah,
ISR
Promus.
of the Zions.
Yeah.
So Promus or Synergy. Use Synergy. Synergy actually has been just launched in India.
Promus.
Launch it.
Yeah, we can use this.
How go real high. Okay. So now see what we are doing. At least 1/3 of the balloon is in the main vessel. That's ideally what we would have done even with the cutting. And then we went almost 18-20 atmospheres.
Okay.
It's open now.
Yeah.
Good.
It's still I feel have the friction. Okay, should be okay.
Yeah.
And what's the length you want? 30? 38 may be too long.
No, 38. 3 or 38.
No, first give me 2.5. Okay, you want to take a picture? There's no dissection of the side branch.
2.5, 12. 1 second.
Before we decide the length, we want to make sure there's no dissection of the side branch.
Nope.
Looks good. 12 is a good length.
Yep. Good.
If there is no dissection side branch, would you like to leave it?
No, the ostial, right?
Ah,
No, but
Ostial-
that's okay.
ostial
Yeah,
side
that,
branch.
yeah, we want that. Yeah.
Yeah.
So we.
Okay, I want the 3D app playing now for the Mini Crush.
All right, let's just start from the beginning. Both wires are done. Lesions have been taken care. Let's just start from the beginning now on this. Yep. Good.
Okay, wait for me. So you see that side branch, we are 2.5 and we decided we are doing Mini Crush. So we are going to wire, of course, we have done, finished all that. So we pre-dilated. So why we say pre-dilate the main vessel? Because there will be plaque shift into the side branch. Then you pre-dilate the side branch, which we did. We pre-dilated. We wanted to cut. We always say, if you think you're not, let's consider atherotomy. If you think your vessel did not fully expand, we tried atherotomy, that would not go. Always go with the side branch
Stop
stent
there now.
first.
Stop it. Yeah. Yep.
Yeah. So what we did was you go with the side branch stent, and then you go with the main branch stent. Yeah.
Okay, let's go with the side branch stand now.
Hold on. And then you deploy the side branch, remove the balloon and the wire. Then you deploy the main vessel stent, recross, and kiss. Yeah.
Okay. We got 15 minutes now. Yeah.
Okay, good.
Okay. We are going into the side branch. And that is
Yeah,
more difficult.
the app can keep playing. So this is a 3D animation compared to our initial bifurcate, which was just an illustration. I knew that this is going to happen.
Good.
Okay.
Yeah, I get.
So as what you see, what I did, advance the guide little bit further inside, closer to the ostium of the stud, and
Support.
just gentle push forward. Very important with these steps when you are doing it, because this is the risk of, if you're not cautious, guide wire, guide induced dissection of the left main. So why we said first side branch stent has to go to the side branch like the animation is because of this. When you have an angulated side branch, calcium in the ostium, more difficult. Sometimes, rarely, 10% of the time, main vessel could be very tricky also. In that case, you can change it. That you will put a main vessel first, then go to the side branch later.
Any help of Guidezilla sometimes when if these steps become difficult?
You could Godzilla, but then you see,
two
even
stents.
7 French Godzilla will not take 2 stents.
Will be troublesome.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very difficult.
Right, man.
Okay, so this is where I think we goal. You see that, right? So what I would do is if I advance my side branch, this is way further down. So I'll pull back.
Yeah.
And when you're pulling back, same, a millimeter is sticking into the side branch.
Yeah.
And that,
Nano cast is almost like this we are doing nowadays.
What are you doing?
Any help of stent boost you will take, madam? Like this,
usually not. I don't use stent boost, but if people want to, no problem.
Okay.
Go.
This extra radiation. Good.
Yeah. Now you see how this is always you see in the circumflex, especially in the circumflex because of the way the OM always takes. You don't see that much in the
Good.
LED diagonal or RCA
What is
PDA.
Okay.
So if you think, you're covering the osteomasis.
Yeah, we're covering.
Good.
Yeah.
Okay, I would pull back the side a little bit inside the main.
Okay.
Little bit.
Okay.
I'm not that sure. Little bit inside.
Good.
We don't
Okay,
like
yeah,
a
good.
NAND flash in circumflex.
Okay, some die. Okay, good. This is
You were
main
too-
vessel, right?
You were
I have the side
too
branch
fit.
in my hand.
You went
No,
too-
no, no. Oh. I am okay. Some die there. You think we are okay there?
Okay. That's fine too. There's a little bigger crash,
Yeah.
but that's okay.
This is side branch.
This is side branch.
Always you have to have side branch. This one. That's why I'm keep pulling. Okay. I'm going in with the side branch a little bit. Okay.
This is the
Some
main.
die.
This is side. This is main. Yes.
Yeah.
You are with the side branch, right?
GJ has side branch.
Yeah. Okay.
Go.
I think we are good now.
Go side branch.
One up.
Yeah.
Good.
12, 14.
Go up again. Yeah. You
We
just
have
go
to make sure.
nominally.
We have to make sure. See that the superior surface of the side branch is well covered
Good.
down. So now we'll take out the SDS. Good. You want to give some die, confirm everything looks good. Side branch is
Good.
Yeah.
okay. Now go up with the main.
Go with the main.
I need a fielder for the side branch.
We have it.
6, 8, 10, 12,
14.
14.
You may have to put another stent in the main, a little distal.
Distal. We'll kiss balloon and then we can put one.
14.
Yeah.
Okay. Good.
Synergy
Done.
could have been 48. Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. Now synergy, I know that's available now in 48 also.
48.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Longest length.
Okay. Ready? Take a picture. Looks good.
Good coverage of first year.
Yeah.
Yeah. So now we will recross the wire. Now there's multiple things that you can ask me. Recrossing side branch. What is the wire that you want to recross?
Usually hydrophilic wire will take.
Very
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, excellent. Whisper or fielder, always, because many people would say that way easier to cross. And same thing, you cross. This is the
Here
fielder.
nothing proximal cross, distal cross, nothing is there, madam. Here.
I am not a
Recross is-
believer, though a lot of people, I'm telling you, with all the live cases, European live case, other cases, they'll say go distal,
Yes, yes.
proximal, but there is no data to show that.
Usually for crush, they will tell proximal or central cross.
Only GK crash,
Yeah.
they say.
I know.
Yeah, I know. It's nothing. If you are happy to cross,
Rather, only question comes is that you have crossed it, your balloon does not go, then you
yeah,
just go
then
to
there's
the
that I will tell you. If you go back to bifurcate app, whether it is the first one, second one, we will tell this is the wire you need to use. Now,
Okay.
you have a problem in recrossing.
Yeah, the first
Remember,
complaint
there is always a question of pot versus no pot. Same for non-left main. For non-left main, there's no need to pot, but left main, yes. And always a question is, it's up to the operator, I guess, when you want to pot, before crossing, after crossing. But if we have a trouble here to cross into the left main, into the side branch and not left main OM, then I will tell pot. Why? There was calcium. Maybe
Yeah.
what has happened is that I'm not in the, you see how my wire went, right? I was in the lumen of the main circumflex,
Yeah.
then I went. So pot is only when you think you're in the, instead of you're in the lumen, you went to the side of the strut. And then you enter the side branch. And nowadays people are also talking about leave a balloon, predilate the side branch with the balloon, all these things.
Yes. Yes.
It just takes a very long time.
Okay. So now we are
Now-
using our same 2O compliant balloon,
Yeah.
which we had before. Because here you need
We-
to have a new balloon or a small balloon basically.
Yeah. The reason we are saying small balloon, new balloon, because you saw how difficult it was in the early part for us to cross. Even the calcium angle did not allow anything to
Yeah.
go there. Yeah.
And now if you cannot cross, that's where you can get.
Now, if now I cannot cross the various options, you can rewire into a different strut. Okay,
Yeah.
go
Or
to a
low
smaller
pressure
balloon.
balloon.
Lower balloon, 1015, 1.25, whatever you want to try,
lower balloon.
Yes.
or
And just
anchor. You can try an anchor technique.
And push it.
I want to show you what is anchor technique.
Okay, let's get the balloon of the main 3030.
No, it's not going to go.
Okay.
Give me 3015 high
15,
pressure.
High pressure, yeah. So basically, is that anchor technique?
Yes.
I would still say the first one should be rewire, because it is
Rewire.
part of that you could not go because you went
No.
to some strut.
No, not that. First one should be a new balloon.
Yeah, a small balloon, new small balloon. But anyway, let's try. So we are doing
This
the
is a
anchor.
used balloon.
Yeah. So, but a small one. Now we'll take a 1 over
1.25.
1.25. Yeah.
anchor just different.
Yeah.
Something,
So let's
1.25.
do the anchor first. Yes.
Building anchor just.
Yeah. Connect. Okay. So basically now we are going with the same balloon we are going to use for the main vessel, which is OM2, which is a 3O. Yeah.
Yeah. Look at that.
Why I said smaller balloon? Because you have to go way distal and
Okay.
go high pressure. This you are
Yes.
anchoring the guide.
Yeah.
Now when you anchor the guide and then you advance with the balloon.
Yeah. Side branch balloon.
If this does not go, then I go with the 1.25. Okay.
Right.
Hmm.
You want to do 1 second. Let's dilate at the level of the ostium with this balloon.
Okay.
The kind of not a true pot, but just at the modified.
Yeah.
Or just open
Oh,
the
no,
struts a
the
little more.
wire.
Huh?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, at that level, at the ostium. No, too far.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Sorry.
Yeah, here.
Okay.
at
Okay.
this
Here.
level.
Here.
Yeah. Yeah. We just basically want to make sure the struts are open. Same 3015 balloon. Went into 24 atmosphere. We don't have the open NC, which you guys have. Good.
Oh,
So let's
We have open NC.
yeah. But here it's okay. So now question is whether goes or we take a 1.5 balloon, 1.25 or a smaller but new
I
balloon.
should have left it there, right?
Hmm? Yeah, let's try once again. If not,
I
then
should
we
have
take it
left
out.
it.
Yeah.
With the anchor. 1 point.
Good. Bent in. See?
So pot.
Yeah. Kind of just dilated there. Yeah. So simple approach. Yeah.
Just by
Yeah.
flaring up of the edges.
Yeah. Exactly. 20
Okay.
negative. Why
Down.
pressure so high?
Huh? Oi. Give
He
something.
wants to make some urine?
Okay, you know what? I took the 3 balloon. Get us a 2.5 high pressure balloon to the
Yeah,
side
we
bench.
have-
Remove it.
yeah, take this.
You're down?
Yeah. Does he want to make urine? Yeah, good.
Okay.
Yeah, give her. Okay, do a kissing balloon, and I know we are reaching our time. Then we start at 10:30 discussion for another half hour, and
Guys,
so
can I show
Yeah.
you show me the venture? They wanted more. Now, did they see more about venture on the website? On the chat, can they tell me?
yeah,
They did not tell us.
good.
Ask the question to those people.
Yeah, definitely.
What is this? What is this?
2.5.
Yes, give me the
Three.
3 balloon.
Yeah, same 3 we have. 30 is okay. Yeah,
No,
or
it
15.
will not go.
Same
The
15.
15.
Yeah, good. Okay. Yes. Okay. So we are going to this KBI, and then we show the venture, and then we go to our case discussions. You have
Okay.
selected excellent cases. Yeah. So this is the 2.5 balloon which we used before. We are going back again.
Any questions on the steps of a mini crush? What's the dedicated two-strand technique you guys do?
DK crush or mini crush? I know India there's a lot.
Traditional doing DK crush.
Mainly DK crush we used to dedicated.
Now we are doing some nano crush.
Yeah, but I think to me, if you really think about the DK crush, the mini crush takes away a lot of steps out of the DK correction still, in my opinion, very good effectively. Good. Ready?
In the steps.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Guide.
Okay. No, I'm also, okay. Wire.
Negative. Yeah. Good. Pull back the wires. Yeah. So nice kissing balloon, both of them.
Good, no?
Yeah.
Any final part you will do, sir, after kissing?
No,
final
no,
kissing?
no, no,
So
no,
I
no,
think the
no.
non-left main,
no
we-
pot.
I don't think.
And no final pot. You need one pot. That's what I told you before. You do one pot so that you know there's full optimization. You kiss and you come out.
And I know that the recent trial just published in an initial part in
Okay,
for
ready?
in a European Euro intervention about the pot. There was no difference as you saw it. Although it has not
Right.
come out yet. Yeah, good. Why it is so tachycardia all of a sudden? Yeah,
I don't know. They gave something. Go.
good.
Good result.
Very good. All right. So want to show what else you want to show? This is interventional point of view. We are done, and we get a venture.
Total contrast was 110 with a fluoro time of 26,
Yeah.
and our total radiation air karma was 1.3, way below 2.
Very
So
good.
every
In
complex case, every complex case we always, have to report. Every case we report. Every case we have to
And
report. this,
concentrate
yeah.
on the hand now. We are going to quickly show the venture.
No, before that, the box. They wanted to see what the box was.
Box.
Okay. So when we said, what?
Yeah, okay, take away the slide away and show the picture now. Yeah, good. Just the picture, make it big.
Yeah. So here you see that this is over the wire.
No,
So
yeah, they have it.
no, take the fluoroscopy out.
Look, make it a main picture. Yeah, we are done with the angio. Yeah,
Yes.
bring this.
Broken.
Clockwise is forward bend.
Yeah. So this is where we are. If you see here, the
Okay.
length is a 139.
Okay.
Which company this now? They keep changing. Teleflex. Now it's a Teleflex. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, it has to change 10 hands. The St. Jude's vascular solution, Teleflex. Yeah.
So when I'm going, this is clock. When I'm doing clock, you see it moving. You see that?
Yes.
Yeah.
Forward
And then
bend is
counter.
Next patient has to come in. Yeah.
Yeah. That's it.
So make a full 90-degree turn. Actually, almost 100.
So
100
only
degrees,
good
yeah.
thing is that if you want to change the wire, since it's over the wire, you can use this, change. Okay, fielder did not go. You want to change it to whisper, or you want to change it to run through, or any different wire. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. So very good. Thank you for a
you.
great
Thank you.
We
lively
can show
discussion.
your face now. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
And I'm going to go up and will join you. You start your case presentation, and I'll join you in a few minutes. All
Okay,
right.
sir.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.